Well, it's sunset, so the visibility is very poor and I don't have a flashlight. But I put the plastic knobs on the screw tips that were protruding out. I put it on the top and bottom rails, so the top and bottom. It's really dark, I don't even think you can see. So the top and bottom rails, I put them. Here's some light. So I put, maybe you can see now, I put the plastic knobs on the top and bottom. And then I'll go even higher to the ones that are towards the roof. And something I forgot to mention, you can't see it right now, but up on the main beam, I did not put the plates. What was it? I think it was B3 and B4. I can't remember, the small little beams to support the ends. So I put them on. It was a little trouble. Maybe you can see it from across here. That beam all the way to the end here. The visibility is too poor, but I put on the beams that were missing. And now the shed's complete. Sorry about the darkness, but it's sunset and I wanted to finish this video, so now I can close the door. And I even have a lock that I'll put on it later. So that's it. The shed is complete. That's a barrel so my cat can jump onto the roof and off of the roof easily. He climbs up the ladder and goes on the roof. There he is right there. His name is Rory. He's just relaxing. So, thank you for watching.